Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope that you are very well. Let's start our lesson. Today is Monday and we are on the 28th of September 2020. Before starting our lesson, Yataman, I have a question for you. What are you doing at the moment? What are you doing at the moment? Now, let's go to the outcomes of our lesson. Here are the outcomes يعني أهداف حصتنا. In this class we are going to 1. Recognize the listening strategies بدنا نتعرف على استراتيجيات الاستماع. 2. Listen to a text in order to find mistakes and correct them. بدنا نستمع للنص ونلاقي الأخطاء ونصلحهم. Now I want you to open your student's book, page 7, and to look at this box. Here we have listening strategies. استراتيجيات الاستماع, taking notes. How to take notes while you are listening, okay? كيف بدك تكتبي ملاحظات وانتي بتستمعي. 1. Listen carefully for clues about the topic. استمعي عشان تاخدي بس الأفكار الرئيسية. Okay? 2. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen for the important ones. أحيانا إحنا نستمع لكلمات جديدة لا تقلق بخصوصها. المهم إنك تسمعي الكلمات المهمة. As you listen, take notes and use abbreviations. يعني وانت بتسمعي اكتبي ملاحظاتك واستخدمي اختصارات خاصة فيكي. يعني بدل ما تكتبي الكلمة كاملة زي ما أنا أحيانا بكتب لك subject بدل subject كاملة بحط لك S مثلا عشان نختصر. you can use abbreviations اختصارات. 4. Don't try to write down every sentence. ما تحاولي تكتبي كل جملة. Select important information and keywords. بس اختار الكلمات الأساسية والمهمة والكلمات المفتاحية. Now let's go to exercise 4. Here in exercise 4, they ask us to follow the listening strategies, then take notes as you listen to Hamida's profile. Here we have the profile of Hamida. What's the meaning of a profile? Profile is a record that gives information about us. بيعطي معلومات عنا أو displays بيعرض معلومات عنا. Okay, like Facebook profiles. Okay, so here we have the profile of Hamida. We are going to listen to this profile and take some notes about Hamida. I will ask you some questions. Okay, so please listen carefully and be with me.
Module 1, page 7, exercise 4.
Hamida is 15 and she has 3 sisters, Manal, Nawal and Salma, and 1 brother, Jamal. Her father's a dentist and her mother's a nurse. She lives with her family in Amman, Jordan. They live in a big flat. Hamida shares her bedroom with her sister Salma. Her best friend is Noura, who is 14 years old. Hamida and Noura go to the same school in Amman. They love English and they are members of the debating club. Hamida has got 2 aunts and 3 uncles.
Okay, يا تامن. Okay, يا تامن. So, I have a question for you now. How old is Hamida? She is 15 years old. How old is her friend? She is 14 years old. What is the name of her best friend? The name of her best friend is Noura. Okay, now let's go to exercise 5. بس بدي أنبه لشغلة. لاحظت هون إنه البروفايل اللي عندي بكتاب المعلم محتوى بيختلف عن كتبكم المطبوعة جديد. فأنا هسه بدي أحط صورة لكتبكم المطبوعة جديد عشان نحل 5 عليها. Girls, here we have 5 mistakes. عندنا 5 أخطاء grammatical كلهم أخطاء بالقواعد. You should read the text and underline the mistakes, then correct them. لازم تقرأ النص، تحطي خط تحت الخطأ وتعدليه وتصلحيه. Now please do it. Let's do it together يا صبايا. Let's read the text and underline the mistakes. Hamida is 15 and she have 3 sisters. Manal, Nawal and Selma. Have. صح ولا غلط? It's wrong. She have or has? She has. طيب. Let's continue. And one brother, Jamal. Her father, a dentist. Her father, what's missing here? It's her father is a dentist. Okay? Is ناقصة. And her mother's a nurse. She lives with her family in Amman, Jordan. They lives lives. هل they بتاخد verb with s? No, they live. بتصير live without s. Hamida shares her bedroom with her sister Salma. Her best friend is Noura, who is 14 years old. Hamida and Noura goes? No, because we have the subject Hamida and Noura. It's only go without the s. To the same school in Amman. They are loving English and they are members of the debating club. هل بنحكي they are loving English يعني هما بس بحبوا English هسا؟ No. So the verb here is wrong. Tense كله wrong. نستخدم present simple نحكي they love and they are members of the debating club. Hamida has got 2 aunts and 3 uncles. So here we discovered the 5 mistakes. اكتشفنا ال5 أخطاء and corrected them. Now I want you, يا تامن, to open your activity book, page page 7, exercise 5. Here in exercise 5 we have a paragraph. They says use these notes to write a paragraph. Here we have a paragraph but it's not complete, مش كاملة. عنا لو تلاحظوا نورة وفي عنا سلاش. هاي سلاش لإيش؟ في معناته هون إشي ناقص، وهو الإشي ناقص بكون إشي قواعدي، فبدنا نقرأ ونحط محل الداش أو محل الأقواس اللي عنا verb صحيح ونكمل الناقص. يعني for example here نورا 9 years old، فالتكملة نورا is 9 years old. Here we have she have got، بدنا نصلحها بنحكي she has got. So I want you to do this exercise and I will send the answers later. Goodbye يا تامن.